Hey, g'day folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 40 now. Wow, I've come a long way here, guys, and my account's doing really well. Recording this video one day after we got our earnings. I got in late last night, so I was not able to get to that. But yesterday was 0.19%, so I made $20.59. As you see, guys, from the other days here, especially from this day here, 0.43, it dropped down to 0.19%, which is okay, guys. That's how the Forex market is, or any type of stock trading or anything on markets that are active. The amount of money that you make will fluctuate. There will be some bright, shiny days, sunny days, and some cloudy days where it rains and pours and thunderstorms and everything else in between. But the bottom line is, guys, we're making money as the days pass on. You know what I mean? 0.19%. I only made $20.59 as opposed to $46 on this day. And we had another day I made $77, $47, $34, another $77 day. But yeah, I haven't lost money, guys, as the days and months have been passing by. Basically, since October of 2020, that's when I joined my account. I joined the company S Group, and I opened up my Forex investment. Actually, if I go now to investments, come down here. So this is what I made yesterday. Today's Saturday, so it's a non-earning day today, guys. Forex only earns Monday to Friday. But as you see, out of there's actually 6 earning days, because this goes over the weekend, last weekend, I made $304.32, guys. So if you take this amount, I'll get the calculator here. There we go. So if you take $304.32, you divide that by 6 earning days, which that has been earning on 6 earning days, you will see this is what I averaged per day over those 6 days. I've averaged earnings of $50.72, guys. So you got to think about it. Like, I mean, if you had your money in the bank, would your money be earning on average $50 US funds per day, or any other type of investment, whether it's in the GIC or an RSP or a tax-free savings account, or you just in your checking account? Would you be earning that type of money daily? Of course you won't. You don't have to think about that. It's a no-brainer, guys. So that's why having your money invested in systems like this, or any type of like stock or anything, is what you want to do, is where you want to go, because that way you can use your money and make money with your money, as opposed to banks making money off of your money and only giving you like 1% per month, if that. Whereas this company gives you usually ranges around 10%, sometimes up to 12% a month, is the earnings, and then you get a certain percentage of that 10 or 12%, depending on what you're invested in, which is you either get the 50% of that, 60%, 65. I'm right now getting 75% of that, of whatever the 10% or 11 or 12% is for the month. So yeah, guys, I mean, S Group, if you guys need more information on the actual company S Group itself, if you look in my video log, you'll see a full explanation. I also did a withdrawal video, guys, so you could see the proof that I actually withdrew funds from my account, and it went from here to S Wallet to ShakePay, and then I transferred it to my checking account, and I actually use that money to pay a couple bills off, which is really convenient. So yeah, guys, I'm building my team. I would love to see you guys join me here. There's a link in the description, which is a sign up referral link. If you click on that, you'll have a form. You can sign up and join my team. And at that point, I'll definitely shoot you an email, or you can email me. My email address is in the description down below. And I'll welcome you to the team, and we can communicate, have a conversation about the company. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer all those questions. I've been with the company for almost 2 years now, so I'm pretty well knowledgeable on everything. And there's also a giant Telegram group, guys, with all the English-speaking people that are involved in S Group. So there's a huge, giant community. You're not alone. and that's the best part. So click on the subscribe button down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you can be updated with all my future video updates. And yeah, guys, hopefully you can click on the sign up link and join my team. I'd love to see you inside in the back office. So yeah, that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.